gave my heart away. Oh, I gave my heart away. I gave my heart away.
Beautiful babes, hey, how you doing? Sweet Angel here. Oh my goodness, today, y'all, I am summer inspired. I'm dreaming of summer. Summer's around the corner. So guess what? We are going to get into some summer nail art designs. And today I am all about the summer rainbow and glitter nails. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I will make sure I list everything that I'm using in the description box for you in case you want to check out some of these products. Feel free to click my links, and they are affiliate links, you already know. And beautiful babes, I'm ready to get started. Again, everything will be listed down below. Let's get busy with these nails. I'm super excited. I will be using this Tamika Polygel. It's in a nice milky white, and I'm loving that. So I'm excited about doing that also for the first time all over my fingers. I practiced on one of my nails using Polygel nail form setup, and honey, I'm in love with it. So that's what I'm going to do today. So again, I'm ready to get started. What about you? Let's try this. And yes, if you're new to this channel, no need to hesitate in subscribing because I'm here for it. I hope you're here for it. We got nail videos, we got makeup videos, we got fashion videos, everything right here on Sugarfingers. So it's your one-stop shop. Come on in.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talked for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm sitting a little high on you. For so long,
Okay, y'all, I just had to pop in and disturb the program for just a moment. Look at that ring finger. It's super long, but you know, we're going to fix it. We're going to fix it, okay?
I need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high I think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles, but if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. On you. Yeah. Still a little high on you.
Red eyes, strobe lights moving across the walls. You're looking like a movie star, but I don't know just what you are. Seems like your type to be on the floor. You're looking for a kind of queen, the baddest one you've ever seen. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying through the hips, boy, loving.
All right, beautiful babes, I just wanted to pop in and let you know that we are done with the Polygel, and now I'm getting ready to go ahead and hook these nails up with a multitude of colors that are going to be rainbow and glitter all over. So I'm just going to use my little plate here. The nail polish that I'm using is by Melody Susie. These are some polishes that were in a kit that was sent to me formally, and I'll be using those in order to do the rainbow colors. I'll also be using a glitter as well that's going to outline the actual rainbow. So get ready for it.
In every disco, ooh. So you say you're loving somebody else, that I am only for tonight. Yeah, you say you're gone and still you're in my bed. You're loving how I read your mind. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. I don't love you anyway. Stay low, swing high, move me across the floor. You've got me in a kind of dream, the baddest one I've ever seen. All night, all wild, howling at the moon. You've got me in a place unknown, free falling and I'm letting go. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving every disco. Ooh, so you say you're loving somebody else, that I am only for tonight. obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue. Hey, they don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us. No, they wouldn't know about us. They keep wishing that I'd fall in line. But you and me, babe, we're one of a kind. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue. Hey, they don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us. No, they wouldn't know about us. They don't know about us. They don't get it, babe, living in a cruel world. It's a rare thing to do just what we do, love. Hold your head high and do it by your own terms. They don't get it, babe, no, they don't get it, babe. They don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us. No, they wouldn't know about us. They don't know about
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. In the beginning I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say that you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. No, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past, not knowing what we'll lose, don't know what will last, yeah. The things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be
Ooh, wee, beautiful babes. I cannot believe I am finito with this super beautiful, I think it's great, summer rainbow glitter nails. I love them. I love them. If you do, please let me know. Let me know. Drop a like on this video. Drop me lots of beautiful rainbow color hearts in the comments. Let me know, y'all. This was a lot of work for me, like being creative. I'm not a professional nail tech, but anytime I create something, I get so excited. If you are, in fact, let me know any mistakes you saw so we can learn together over here on Sugarfingers. Drop it down in the comments. I appreciate it so much. And at the end of the day, beautiful babes, my sugar babes, always, always keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. Thanks for watching. Bye now.